Well, hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing this hot and cold. It's a new edition pack, robust, reusable, soft and flexible pad. So again, as the name says, you can do it hot or cold. So this is great for injury, good for your neck, shoulders, knees, legs, arms. Good for if you have a fever. So this is it. It's nice and large, nice and foldable. It says flexible when frozen. It's actually really nice material too, and it's that material that is very comforting. It kind of reminds me like a weighted blanket. So this is really nice. I really do like this. And you have the gel in 3 different sections of this as well. We're going to go over a couple things that it says. It says, caution, check the temperature every time you use it on your skin. Temperature should not be too extreme in any conditions as it can affect your skin. To keep your skin safe, it is advisable to use the pack wrapped in a cloth before use on skin. Let's see, using freezer. Minimum of 60 minutes of freezing is required to freeze the gel properly. When the gel freezes, take it out of the freezer and you can use it freely on your skin. Application for the hot pack. Using the microwave, let's see. Need the pack to distribute the gel, so you would go ahead and you would press and you would move the gel and make sure you fully distribute it evenly. Says microwave for 40 seconds initially. Touch the pack to test the temperature. If additional heat is needed, microwave in 20-second intervals. For optimum use, flip the pack between intervals for equalization. Do not overheat as that will cause the pack to leak or rupture. It says warning, do not place it on sensitive skin, broken skin, open wounds, or areas of severe swelling. Do not use a torn pack. Dispose immediately and contact us if the pack is torn. Do not use it more than 15 to 20 minutes at a time. So there's just some safety things. Overall, it's a really nice pack, my friends. I hope I don't have to use it anytime soon with any pains or aches or ailments or injuries, but it's just nice to have something like this that if something does happen, well, you at least know you got some kind of comfort.